Namaste everyone, thank you very much for joining me in the video. In this one, I'm going to show you a Django weather application through which you can pull the real-time weather conditions of any place over here on this page. Now, basically what I have done here is I've connected this application through an open source weather application, which is this, and its name is Open Weather Map. Now through this API key over here, I'm pulling the content from this web application and getting it over here on this web app, which has been designed on Django. Right, now let me show you how it works. So what you have to do, you just have to put the name of a city over here in the search box, and the moment you will hit this search button, the application will pull the relevant information from this open source website and will the information will come on this application and it will be shown to the user like this. So it's the weather conditions over here in Delhi. You want to check out some more conditions, so you can click here on more and it will show you some more things related to the weather of Delhi. Similarly, if you have to pull, suppose if you want to see the weather conditions of let's say Ahmedabad or Australia, right, so you can check that also on this application. So it's 28 degrees Celsius temperature in Australia and maximum temperature is this, minimum is this. You want to see some more information, so you can click here on more, and this is how you can pull the information related to the pressure, humidity and sea level of Australia. Right, so this is how the application works. I'm going to share the code of this application with you guys in the description section of this video. So if you want to check out this application on your respective device, you can click on the link and it will redirect you to a GitHub repository from where you can download the code, and you can simply run the command python manage.py run server, okay, to run the application on your respective device, and then you can see it over here on the localhost 8000. This is it from my side in the lecture. I hope you guys enjoyed it a lot. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Bye bye, take care and have a great day ahead.